Banana. Carrots. Carrot starts with a C. Mango. Mango starts with an M. Blueberries. Blueberry starts with a B. Oranges. Ready? Let's go. I like this. Get it. Look, it's changing colors. This mushroom is very cool. Now we add mangoes. Bananas now. Banana starts with a B. Now we add spinach. Spinach starts with a S. Now we add deep pudding.
Is it good?
Now we like juice, but I got an idea. Now how about we make bicycles? Let's make bicycles. Yeah! It's okay if we make a mess, but we gotta clean it. Remember, we use blueberries, mango, carrots, spinach, bananas. So ready! Ooh, they look delicious. Ooh, this one gets cooler than cool. I think I need help. Can you please help, Mommy? Let's try it. Yummy.